Good afternoon. What is your sense of market direction currently? Do you think 25,000 mark will sustain? And more than that, what is your sense on Bank Nifty and banking stocks? Because quite a few earnings have already been disclosed.
So, no, Ankur, yes, definitely. I think so. If you look at the market from the short-term perspective, I think so. It's more of a stock-specific action right now going on in the market. It's because of earning season right now going on. But if you look at the market Nifty behavior, I think so. Yesterday, it seems to be finding the support at the 50-day EMA and also the lower end of the rising channel, joining the lows of May and June. So it looks like I think so. Market is more likely to see a more of a consolidation till we are near the earning season, or we can say till most of the heavyweights comes out with the numbers. So we believe I think so 25,700, 24,700 to 24,500 remains to be very strong support for the Nifty, which we expect to hold. So buy the dip should be the strategy. That is one. Second is we believe 25,300 will act as immediate resistance for the Nifty, which it surpassed should definitely look towards a target of 25,700 for Nifty. So we believe it's more for consolidation until the result season, until the end of July. We expect this consolidation to continue in this range of 24,700 to 25,500, 700 on the higher side. So more of a stock specific action, but definitely it's a buy on dip market because if you look at the structural perspective, I think so the percentage or from the market breadth angle, I think so the way the it's always a good indicator to understand the market. The percentage of stocks which are trading above 200-day right now is 66 compared to 52 last month. So even if we have seen a decline in the market or some bit of a correction of almost 3%, the market rate seems to be improving. So it's more of a, I can say, stock specific profit booking going on in the market, but it's clearly indicating, I think so, maybe once we are ending towards the earnings season, we should definitely see a pickup happening in the market.
One thing which stays intact is the buy on dips strategy. Though we did had a lot of expectations this morning as the global setup was looking better enough, but the gains in the morning which we did see in the benchmarks have dried up. Dharmesh, good afternoon. Mansi this side. I completely agree when you say that it's a stock pickers market and you see a lot of stock specific moves. One, because we are in the earnings season, and two, because there are a lot of news flows coming in. So what are the stocks, maybe if you would want to share any of your trading ideas with our viewers?
Good afternoon, Mansi. Definitely, I think so. Power as a space looks positive from current levels because if you look at the sector has done nothing for a long time, and we believe I think so. The way the base formation is happening in most of these power stocks, it looks like I think so. There is good days to come for power. So inside the power space, JSW Energy remains to be a top pick. Where again, the stock seems to be witnessing a symmetrical triangle breakout supported by 50-day EMA. Stock seems to be sustaining above the 50-day EMA. A strong base formation near 50-day and 100-week EMA, indicating I think so JSW Energy can be next mover for among the power space where we can look for a target of around 572, keeping a stop loss of 509. Second stock inside the power space, not a power space, but yeah, a part of proxy to play the power space is Power Finance, PFC. Now, again, inside the financial index, if you look, I think so there has already witnessed a faster retracement where the 9 weeks of fall has got retraced in the 5 weeks. So it's clearly indicating a structural turnaround happening in the financial services index. Among those, I think so PFC is one which has done nothing for a long time. Stock has witnessed a 7 month of falling trend line breakout, indicating the end of corrective phase. And even if you look at it from the weekly perspective, it's clearly forming a strong base above the 100-week EMA. So we believe the risk reward looks more favorable at the current level for PFC. One can initiate a long position for the target of around 480, 478, keeping a stop loss of 388.
All right, so those are stock specific picks coming from Dharmesh. Thank you so much for joining at this hour with your these picks and update on the market. But moving on,